Hi! In this video, you will learn 100 English phrases you can use every day. These phrases are perfect for beginners. I say a phrase and you repeat it. Turn on the subtitles if you want to understand better. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Luca. My name is Luca. I'm from Italy. I'm from Italy. Now I live in London. Now I live in London. I'm 28 years old. I'm 28 years old. I study English every day. I study English every day. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. I want to speak English better. I want to speak English better. I understand almost everything you say. I understand almost everything you say. I work as a graphic designer. I work as a graphic designer. I work from Monday to Friday. I work from Monday to Friday. I love my job. I love my job. I get up every morning at 7. I get up every morning at 7. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I go to work by tram. I go to work by tram. For lunch, I go to a cafe with my colleagues. For lunch, I go to a cafe with my colleagues. After work, I go for a walk. After work, I go for a walk. I have a sister. I have a sister. My sister's name is Lena. My sister's name is Lena. In the evening, I sometimes go to the cinema with my sister. In the evening, I sometimes go to the cinema with my sister. My sister is 2 years older than me. On Sundays, I rest. On Sundays, I rest. I like to sleep in. I like to sleep in. I like quiet days. I like quiet days. I like to walk. I like to walk. I study English even on weekends. I study English even on weekends. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I want to stay in England. I want to stay in England. I have many plans for the future. I have many plans for the future. I feel good in London. I feel good in London. The city is big and lively. The city is big and lively. I like life here. I like life here. I have a small apartment. I have a small apartment. My apartment is quiet. My apartment is quiet. I feel good there. I feel good there. Health is important to me. Health is important to me. I drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I try to live a healthy life. I try to live a healthy life. Sports help me a lot. Sports help me a lot. Sometimes I'm tired but happy. Sometimes I'm tired but happy. The weather in London changes often. The weather in London changes often. Sometimes the sun shines. Sometimes the sun shines. Sometimes it rains. Sometimes it rains. In winter, it is often cold. In winter, it is often cold. In summer, it is warm. In summer, it is warm. I really like spring. I really like spring. In spring, the trees bloom. In spring, the trees bloom. Many people are outside. Many people are outside. London has many parks. London has many parks. I like going to the park. I like going to the park. I see many people there. I see many people there. I see children, families, and dogs. I see children, families, and dogs. Many people ride bicycles. Many people ride bicycles. The streets are often crowded. The streets are often crowded. The city is noisy but interesting. The city is noisy but interesting. I hear many noises. I hear many noises. I see old and new buildings. I see old and new buildings. London is international. London is international. Many people speak different languages. Many people speak different languages. I feel welcome here. I feel welcome here. I like going to the market. I like going to the market. The market is colorful and lively. The market is colorful and lively. I buy fresh fruit. I buy fresh fruit. I buy fresh vegetables. I buy fresh vegetables. I buy apples and bananas. I buy apples and bananas. I buy tomatoes and lettuce. I buy tomatoes and lettuce. I buy bread from the baker. I buy bread from the baker. The bread is fresh. The bread is fresh. I buy cheese and milk. I buy cheese and milk. I buy eggs. I buy eggs. I buy meat or fish. I buy meat or fish. Sometimes I buy organic products. Sometimes I buy organic products. The products are fresh and good. The products are fresh and good. I like going to restaurants. I like going to restaurants. I order food and drinks. I order food and drinks. I like drinking water. I like drinking water. Sometimes I drink juice. Sometimes I drink juice. I like eating soup. I like eating soup. I like eating pasta. I like eating pasta. The food is good. The food is good. The waiter is kind. The waiter is kind. I say please and thank you. I say please and thank you. Courtesy is important to me. Courtesy is important to me. I ask for the bill. I ask for the bill. I pay at the cashier. I pay at the cashier. I pay by card or cash. I pay by card or cash. Tipping is normal. Tipping is normal. After eating, I'm full. After eating, I'm full. Thank you for repeating with me. Thank you for repeating with me. I hope the video helps you. I hope the video helps you. If you like the video, like it. If you like the video, like it. Feel free to leave a comment. Feel free to leave a comment. Tell me where you're from. Tell me where you're from. Tell me why you're studying English. Tell me why you're studying English. Subscribe to the channel for more English. Subscribe to the channel for more English. Let's learn English together. Let's learn English together. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.